everyone! How's it going? Welcome back to Cook Like a Japanese channel. I'm Ryo. Today we're making simple chicken drumette soup. You know, it's kind of like Korean samgyetang or ginseng chicken soup, but today's version is much simpler, easy to make, plus you don't need any special ingredients like you can only find in an Asian grocery store or something like that. So why don't you give it a try at your home? Alright, let's get started! Here are my ingredients for simple chicken drumette soup. Only two. One is chicken drumette and the other one is cabbage. I use 7 pieces of chicken drumette today. And you can switch the cabbage into Chinese cabbage or some other green leaf veggies. But tonight I'm gonna use quarter cut cabbage. Plus you need grated ginger and garlic, 50 cc of sake, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and 1 liter of water to simmer the chicken. Well, we got 5 steps to make it. Step number 1 is to cut the cabbage into bite-sized pieces. Step number 2 is to clean the drumette in a bowl of water and pot dry them afterwards. You need a pot to go on to step number 3. Put 1 liter of water in the pot and put all other ingredients besides cabbage into it. I mean grated ginger and garlic, 50 cc of sake, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and the cleaned drumettes. Step number 4 is to simmer. You know, when the broth brought to boil, remove the scum and keep heating it for about 20 minutes with low heat. The last step, step number 5, is to simmer the cabbage. It will take about 5 minutes, I believe, and add more salt if you feel you need to when you tasting the soup. Alright, that's it. Sounds super easy, doesn't it? Okay, why don't we go on to step number 1? Okay, why don't we go on to step number 1? Step number 1 is to cut the cabbage into bite-sized pieces. First, you need to remove this hard part. Throw it away. And cut it into bite-sized pieces. You know, you don't need to clean it before you cut it. You can clean them after you cut it. About this size. This is done. Okay. I believe this is done as well. Okay, that's it. Clean with water. So after you gave a nice rinse to cabbage, you need to prepare the garlic and ginger. You know, grate it. I recommend you to use a spoon to remove the skin of ginger. Well, I gave a nice rinse to garlic, so why don't you grate it? Yeah, I believe it's grated nicely, so why don't you grate the ginger as well? Okay, it's nice. Looks nice, isn't it? So set aside. Why don't we go on to step number 2? Right, why don't we go on to step number 2? You know, step number 2 is to drain the chicken drumette in a bowl of water. Okay, give it a nice rinse to it. Okay, no, there's remaining blood or something like that. Oh, it's clean. It's nice. No need to clean. It's done. Alright, then you pack. Oh no, it's not clean. This is alright. Okay, so why don't we pot dry with paper towel or something like that? Yeah, paper towel will be nice. 3 drummettes here. Plus 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, oh no. Right. You should pot dry it with paper towel. Yeah, it's nice. So why don't you set aside for a while? Alright, why don't we go on to step number 3? Add 1 liter of water in a pot. 50 cc of sake, grated ginger and garlic, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. I guess it's like this. Okay, right. And with the cleaned drumette, you got 7 drumettes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 6, and the last one. Turn the heat on. Wait for the water to grow to be boiled. Well, now the water grow to boil, so why don't we remove the scum? Yeah, scum. Remove the scum. Remove the scum. Yeah, I believe it's almost removed. So why don't you turn the heat, bring it to a boil again, and turn the heat in low. Keep heating it for about 20 minutes. Right now, 20 minutes has passed, so why don't we go on to step 5. Yeah, I made it. Yeah, it will be nice. Nice. Right, number 5. Step number 5 is to simmer the cabbage. Yeah, I simmered for 5 minutes. Right now, 5 minutes have passed, so I believe everything is ready now. Yeah, it looks great. Awesome. Yeah, so why don't we plate it? Yeah, 1, 2, okay, 3 of them. Right. Okay, the simple chicken drumette soup is ready now. Wow, looks awesome. Alright, now you know how to make simple chicken drumette soup. It's quite easy, so why don't you give it a try at your home? Anyway, if you like this video, put thumbs up button, leave some messages down below, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Take good care. Arigato. Bye.